I am used to dash up early. A to get B, getting C, get. The children were excited dash the field trip. A about B with C for. The team played dash well that they won the championship. A so B such C too. She is interested dash learning a new language. A in B on C with. He is the person dash I gave the book to. A to whom, B to who, C, to which. The police are looking dash the stolen car. A for B after C at. My neighbor who is a chef dash delicious meals. A cooks B cook C is cooking. The company's profits dash significantly last quarter. A increased B, increased C, increasing. We were tired, so we dash a taxi. A took B, take C, we're taking? The car broke down, so we had to dash it towed. A get B, have C make. She didn't buy the dress dash, it was too expensive. A because B, although C, so. He is the dash most talented artist in the class. They went to the park, dash they played frisbee. A, where B, which C, who. The cat sat dash the table, waiting for a treat. A under B on C in. Dash it was late, they decided to go home. A since B, although C unless. I'll call you as soon as I dash the news. A, here, B will hear, C heard. The book was written dash a famous author. A by B with C from. She speaks 3 languages dash French, Spanish, and Italian. A including B besides C also. The movie was dash scary that I couldn't sleep. A so B such C very. My brother dash lives in London is a doctor. A who B which C where. He has been working here dash 10 years. A for B since C by. The house dash was built in 1950 is being renovated. A which B who C where. She dash finished her homework before she went out. A had B has C is. He always arrives dash time for his appointments. A on B in C at. The new restaurant is dash as good as the old one. A as B so C too. Dash the weather was bad. We still went for a walk. A although B because C since. I have a lot of work to do. Dash I can't go with you. A so B but C and. He gave me a piece of dash about my presentation. A advice B advises C advise. The company is looking for a person dash has good communication skills. A who B which C whom. The train dashed by the time we arrived at the station. A had left B, left C, was leaving. We were all surprised his sudden departure. A by B at C with. The movie was good that I watched it twice. A, so B, such C, very. She is the of the two sisters. A, taller, B, tallest, C, tall. He is a person I can trust completely. A, whom B, who C, which. The police are looking the stolen car. A for B after C at. I dashed to the party if I had known you were coming. A would have gone. B would go C, went. The teacher dashed us to be quiet. A told B, said C, asked. He is the person I gave the book to. A, to whom B, to who, C, to which. I am used up early. A, to getting B, to get C, get. He promised me the next day. A to call B, calling C calls. I'm afraid I have to your offer. A, decline. B, declining. C, declined. She is an expert English grammar. A in B on C at. The students were with the difficult exam. A, struggling. B, struggled. C, struggled. He is the person I met at the conference. A, who B, which C, where. The boy was tired, fell asleep on the sofa. AI, who B, which C, whom. We were told to dash the instructions carefully. A, follow, B, following C, followed. He is the only one dash knows the answer. A, who, B, which, C, what. The company is looking for a person dash can work independently. A, who, B, which, C, what. I'm sorry, I can't come. I have a lot of dash to do. A, work, B, work, C, working. The book was so interesting that I couldn't put it dash. A, down B, up C, minimum.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.